Hello everyone, Otinus is here, this time in Orlando, in Florida. Why am I here? The reason is very easy to explain, because FABTECH 2023 in Chicago finished 1 week ago, and now Otinus is thinking about a new exhibition. FABTECH 2024 will be exactly in this hall. And I decided to see places which Otinus can book personally, because I think it's very important to visit it before, because not every booth is good for attendees to visit. That's why I'm here to choose the best place for Otinus, because then I will know that the promotion will be the best, and I did what I can do for Otinus. And what I would like to say more, how the place is beautiful. You can see the lake, many palms here, and not only here it's very beautiful, I think that whole around the city is beautiful, so I can really recommend you this city to visit. And what to say? Now I'm going inside, and in next video you will see how the hall looks inside. Thank you so much, and remember, stay Otinus, stay tuned. Thank you, bye bye.